You don't want to get too close because they could literally be laying right in the open. Got a couple rock climbers up here. Alrighty, there's a bee's nest over here. Oh, I already see a rattlesnake. Do you guys see it? Okay, so this is a bee's nest right here. You can see all these bees. They're flying out of here. Tell me if you guys see the rattlesnake. You see him yet? It's a red diamond rattlesnake, right? Right there. Look at that guy's just chilling right next to a beehive. And I am not moving at all, so I shouldn't get stung. If we can move this guy just to see. He puffed up a little bit. Guys, don't do this. Don't be like me. Don't be next to a bee's nest and playing with a rattlesnake. Oh, he's got a beautiful tail on him. Alrighty, well, he's not coming out. But anyways, that's a good find. That's our second snake of the day. And these bees are now getting much closer. And they're all right there, if you can see them all on that wall right there. See them all, guys? Alright, I'm going to get out of here. I don't want to get stung. And we'll check back. Awesome day. Look at this territory, is amazing.